Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 13 unique English idioms from A to M. Number 1. Alarums and Excursions. It means a state of noisy excitement, confusion, or frantic activity, often during some crisis. Example: when the fire alarm went off during the exam, the whole school was suddenly full of alarums and excursions. Number 2. Break the deadlock. It means to end a situation where no progress is possible because people cannot agree. Example: the manager suggested a profit-sharing plan to break the deadlock in the salary negotiations. Number 3. Cog in the wheel. It means a person who has a small but necessary role in a large organization or system, often feeling unimportant. Example: after joining the multinational company, he felt like just another cog in the wheel. Number 4. Drop the bomb. It means to suddenly reveal shocking or very important news. Example: she dropped the bomb at dinner by announcing that she was moving to another country. Number 5. Ebb and flow. It means a regular pattern of increase and decrease, constant change between two conditions. Example: the company's profits show the usual ebb and flow of a seasonal business. Number 6. For the birds. It means useless, silly, or not worth taking seriously. Example: he thinks long, pointless meetings are for the birds and prefers quick emails instead. Number 7. Green cheese. It means something imaginary or unrealistic, often used when people believe something that clearly isn't true. Example: if you believe every rumor you hear online, you might also believe the moon is made of green cheese. Number 8. Hustle and bustle. It means busy, noisy activity, especially in a crowded city or place. Example: after a week in the mountains, the hustle and bustle of downtown felt overwhelming. Number 9. In toto. It means completely, as a whole, not in parts. Example: the committee accepted the proposal in toto without changing a single point. Number 10. Jaundiced eye, meaning a negative, biased, or cynical view of something, often because of past bad experiences. Example: after being cheated once, she now looks at investment schemes with a jaundiced eye. Number 11. Keep up with the Joneses. It means to try to match your neighbors or peers in possessions and lifestyle, often for status. Example: they went into debt trying to keep up with the Joneses by buying a luxury car they didn't really need. Number 12. Leave in the lurch. It means to abandon someone in a difficult or problematic situation. Example: his business partner left him in the lurch just before the big presentation. Number 13. Mover and shaker. It means an energetic, influential person who gets things done and drives change, especially in business or politics. Example: she quickly became a mover and shaker in the tech industry thanks to her bold ideas and leadership. Hey idiom explorers, you crushed those A to M gems. Loved it? Smash like, subscribe to Lexicon Lane, and hit the bell. Part 2 drops soon with O to Z idioms.